stumps. The Lion of Lahore taking his time. Four runs off 6. Well, straight to short mid off. 4 runs. He's got to go for it. Son O'Donnell comes down to have a chat. Run for anything, son.
That's what he'll be saying, because he's the key to it. He's got to get up that end, and he's got to get a 2 or a 3 or a 4.
Campbell hit a 4 this ball. He'll go over the top. He's going to drop the knee back. No, he's not. He's bringing another man in. The mid-wicket, square leg, deep fine leg, and a deep third man. Flicks it down a fine leg for single. O'Donnell on strike. A leg by. Into Simon O'Donnell's pads. Probably go for the Yorker. 3 to win. Close. It's got in. It's done. Oh, what a finish. England gets Simon O'Donnell LBW with 3 runs for victory. The end of a fine innings. 3 balls to be bowled. 3 runs, and Cole Ruckelman will make his way to the wicket. What a 39. In the final over, taking his time with the field pace, and England slowed the game down.
The ball seemed to straighten a little bit. He was well back.
Now getting drier by the second as he takes guard.
For the last time Carl Ruckelman would have been involved in a situation like this was back in 83-84 in Melbourne against the West Indies.
Fine leg and a deep mid-wicket. Imran Khan to Carl Ruckelman. Swing and a miss. Oh, the pressure mounts. Wasn't not sure himself. Drops back mid-off. Not going to concede the 2. He won't be all the way to the fence. The pressure really on the outfielders here. If they go through for the second run, 20 metres behind the line. In comes Imran Khan. Ball in! Wow, what a finish. Ruckelman clean bowled by Imran. 1 ball to be bowled. 2 runs for victory, and it's going to be the veteran Terry Alderman. 9 for 2 for victory. 2 runs for a tie. The rest of 3/4 away to the fence, trying to cut this shot if there's any down to at least 2 runs. It'll be a tie.
I'm just trying to think where Terry can score. A great cutter. His highest score is 9 not out, so he's certainly got the ability to score runs. But even when Terry slogs and connects, he doesn't seem to.
Expression on some people's faces worth going 2,000. Alderman and Campbell. He's fields me in a couple of paces at deep mid-wicket. Fine next to him. And Shoaib Mohammed's coming out on the field. There was a message. He's been sent back. That's all happening at the Sydney Cricket Ground. And there's nobody at mid-wicket. The last delivery from Imran to Terry Alderman. And he's missed it. So it's all over. A great victory for Pakistan. A real cliffhanger by 2 runs. So Australia requiring 218, chasing 221 for victory. And the first final starts at the Melbourne Cricket Ground on Friday, with Pakistan raising their hopes with every match.